Let's test out some PAPK 2. MAME. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and in today's video we are going to test out the CPS system on the PAPK 2 family portable system from China. Alright, the first game we're going to try is the Super Street Fighter 2. Alright, next game, Street Fighter Alpha 3. Street Fighter Alpha 3. Sounds promising. I must say, the joystick is not bad at all on the system, and as you can see, all the games came out instantly. Really love it. Ooh, almost finished with a super. Still hard to do. Come on, do my super. Oh man, I'm going to lose this. Ooh, that was a really nice move. Lucky. Funny game. My speaker doesn't like this. Need to keep my concentration. Very crazy, chaotic game, but I love it. Oh, already? Slice and dice. They should call this game the Super Slicer. Super Slicer. Strider, the Super Slicer. Ow. Now we're going to play Street Fighter Off 2. Ah, give me a kick. So, for the final conclusion about the main part of the PAPK 2, this is what you're going to get. And I must say, I'm pretty excited about this portable system. It's a very cheap device, and if you ask me, it plays the arcade pretty fine. So, yeah, let me know what you think of this, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye!